Since 2006, Bebot has travelled the world, spreading the joy of programming to children across the globe. But the world around Bebot is changing, and technology is advancing. Who can join Bebot on his journey and continue to bring happiness to schools worldwide? Where will they end up next?
The transition to the new curriculum has been a challenging one. Firstly, because there are new skills in this new curriculum that haven't been taught, especially in Key Stage 1 before. Our teachers, our teaching assistants, our additional adults perhaps aren't as comfortable at using these skills as they were with the old curriculum. And so we've had to find a way of introducing these skills not only to the children but also to the teachers and the other adults in our school. That's where the Bluebots come in, because as we've looked around to try and find ways of teaching algorithms, to try and find ways of creating simple programs, debugging programs, the Bluebots have stepped in and they've built on skills that we've been able to use before. They've linked into the Bebots, and so the teachers have found the transition to the new Bluebots really easy. The app's also incredibly intuitive. It's a simple interface, and the adults can pick up a Bluebot, they can pick up an app, and they can suddenly, on their own or with children, create an algorithm, create a simple program that they can then edit, debug, and it's boosted the staff's confidence, which is fantastic. They're then passing that on to the children. The children have responded equally well. It's been fantastic to see their faces. It's been fantastic to see their reactions when we first opened the boxes. They've seen the flashing lights. They can see the inner mechanisms of the Bluebot. It's lovely to see how enthused they are and how excited they are by the new product. And then when they pick up the app and they start to use the iPad to create algorithms, to create simple programs, it's been fantastic how they've responded to being able to edit, being able to solve simple real-world problems with them. It's been a pleasure to see them enthused about computing again and using those skills in a real environment. The biggest advantage is really, I would say, it's simplicity. I think that over the past few years, people have found complex programs, complex ways to solve problems. Now we have a simple program, a simple app, a simple Bluebot that you can pick up. You take your iPad, you take your Bluebot, and suddenly through a very simple user interface, the children with an adult or on their own can create an algorithm. They can create a list of instructions. It's something they can edit. It's something they can use to solve a simple problem that they've been set. And suddenly it's boosting the confidence of not only our children but our adults are suddenly finding that they have skills that they didn't know they had. And now they can solve problems. They can perhaps create an algorithm when we have teachers who didn't know what an algorithm was until quite recently. I would definitely recommend the Bluebot to other schools. I think firstly because it is so simple, adults can pick it up, it's boosting the confidence of our adults, they're passing it on to the children. The second thing is the children are so enthused by it, they can use it in so many different ways. We can build on skills. The children see that their skills are progressing, they're starting to use their skills to solve problems, and so they're taking charge of their own learning, and they're so excited to get to the next step, to be able to challenge themselves to solve one more problem or to solve one more step in the Bluebots journey.